it's Georgia.
Hi, it's Chloe.
And today we're at Anvers in Latrobe, Tasmania. Let's go adventure!
Let's go have a look in the museum first.
Great idea.
Wow, Georgia, look at this place.
Anvers is a beautiful chocolate factory here in Latrobe. And they make yummy chocolates and truffles and fudges and so much more.
Yummy, Georgia. Maybe we should go and try some.
Maybe.
So many different types of things. Look, there's some cacao beans. Lots of different types.
Wow.
That's crazy, Georgia. That chocolate is actually made from a plant. Look at all the different chocolate making tools.
Now, are they molds? A mold shapes the chocolate, so it comes out in a different shape. Hold on, Chloe. Before we try any chocolate, let's learn about the history of it.
Okay.
This is Igor. He started making chocolate in his kitchen in the 80s.
And in 2002, he took over this beautiful property, which we now know as the House of Anvers. Whoa, look, Georgia, at the yummy snowballs they're making over here.
Wow, don't they look good? They're getting them covered in chocolate.
Going through a special machine.
Chloe,
Yeah?
did you know it takes 3 years of training to become fully qualified here at Anvers?
Wow, they must be very skilled and talented.
Wow, and over here, Chloe, you can see what they look like once they're all finished and packaged up.
Delicious. We might have to take some of them home. Chocolate factories are very, very busy all the time, and every day is different in a chocolate factory.
Lily is working with the tempered chocolate to create thin shells. These shells will then be filled, and this is how Anvers make their super delicious pralines.
Patience, skill, and quality. Anvers chocolate is a key recipe in all of Anvers products. So yummy!
The chocolate shells that have been filled with yummy chocolate will now be cooled, filled, and ready for retail. Anvers' famous snowballs are waiting to be packed into a box of 6 and then sent to either their shop or to one of many retail customers that they service. Anvers have a variety of different things happening in production every day. Snowball packing, tapping chocolate frogs from their molds, and making sure all the checks and balances are done, which are very important jobs.
In their cafe, they have a big selection of cakes that you can try. Wow, our food has arrived, Chloe. Look at this yummy hot chocolate.
I hear these are very famous, Georgia.
And look at this yummy toasty. I can't wait.
Look at these delicious looking waffles. Yum, yum.
Wow. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Wow, Georgia, is that 3 pieces of bread in your toasty? Very fancy.
1, 2, 3.
Well, that was really yummy, Georgia.
It sure was, Chloe, but we have so much more adventuring to do, so we better keep moving.
Let's go.
Let's go into the chocolate shop.
I hear you can even taste the chocolate and buy some too.
Let's go have a look.
Wow, look at all of these different chocolates, Georgia.
There's so many and so many different flavors.
I hear there's up to 100 different chocolates.
What do we have here?
Whoa, look,
Wow.
they come in all different types of shapes and sizes. These ones are hearts.
And these ones are like a leaf shape and they have a pretty pattern on there. Wow. Our very own free taste test.
Let's go try them.
Wow.
Whoa.
That chocolate shop is so cool. And we got our little tasters. Okay, Chloe, it's time.
Let's try our chocolates. Look, we've got a little truffle.
I think it's dark chocolate.
Ooh. That is delicious.
And then we've got some little chocolate buds to try as well.
Mmm. Wow. Very sweet.
Very tasty. This here is the viewing platform where you can see the chocolatiers hard at work. This is Makala and she's making hazelnut clusters.
Yummy. They've even got a function centre if you want to have a party. Look, Anvers even has their own hothouse. Inside here is the cacao plants growing. And Georgia, guess what? Inside here it's 25 degrees.
Whoa, but it's not 25 degrees out here.
That's because the plants need to be in a hot environment to grow.
So they have their own heat pump.
Toot toot, we're on the chocolate train.
Wait for me, Chloe!
Ah!
I'm gonna hold on. Whoa, whoa!
Let's go! Whoa, Choc! Whoa!
It's bumpy!
Georgia, slow down!
Chloe, there's a slide!
Oh, let's go! Race you to the top! Up we go!
Wow, it's so tall up here.
And look, it's like a cool chocolate house!
Look at the chocolate drips on top!
We're
Wow.
living in chocolate!
Chocolate house, yeah!
Chocolate house! Chocolate house! Yeah! Time for the slide!
Let's go! Ready, steady, whoa! Whoa, that was a bumpy one, Chloe.
My turn! Let's go! Nice! Well, think it might be time for us to go home now.
But we had such a great time here at Anvers in Latrobe, Tasmania. See you next time. Happy adventuring!
If you're ready for adventure, come and play. Learn and explore and be brave. So much fun is waiting. Let's give a cheer
I guess that's how we get off.
Adventure Squad's here.
Okay, time to get off. Whoa! And jump.
Here we go.